Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kunal Rai. Today I am going to do some text analysis on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's historic speech. One of his famous speech is Trust with Destiny, which he delivered on midnight hours of 14th August 1947. It was day of India's independence. This is considered as one of the greatest speech of 20th century. So, if you will go through this speech, it's mostly talk about India's long freedom struggle and its future. Well, I am here more interested in sentences and words used in this speech because I want to do some text analysis on this historic speech using text mining algorithm, as well as I want to do some sentiment analysis using recent available technology. If you have observed, I have drawn the pie chart and bar chart for this speech, which is just counting the repeated word or total word. To analyze sentiment, we have various technology available nowadays. Here I am going to use SAP HANA for text analysis. I have logged into SAP HANA database using HANA Studio and I am going to create a table. Then I will insert the speech line as a row into this table. Here you can see the same I have mentioned in my SQL query. Let me run this. It's executed successfully. Now we can see the data of this table, and here it is visible. Next I am going to create a full text index on the column speech line of newly created table, and along with this I will enable the text analysis. Now let me show you the content of this table. Here you can see the sentiment has been derived for this table. You can see T underscore type having all the required sentiment like a strong positive, country, strong negative. All these sentiments you can see in this column, and respective keyword you can also see. Before I go for final visualization, let me summarize the things which I have done till now. This is PDF which having our speech. I have converted this into a table and then create the full text index using SAP HANA with text analysis enabled. And finally I have joined the created index table with speech table. So you can see the sentiment from the speech line and its respective keyword. Now let's visualize this in SAP Lumira. I have created the dashboard for this. You are currently in design view and you can see our table column in dataset, and chart that I have drawn is on right side. Let's go to the preview of the dashboard for detail. So here you can see three different analyses. In left I have mapped the various available sentiment count and its percentage against the count of the sentiment. You can see we have 41.67% sentiment in overall speech, and we have 8.3% of speech having weak positive sentiment. In right side you have pie chart which showing various percentage of sentiment from the text analysis. In bottom you can see the keyword generated in text analysis mapped against various sentiment. So here you can also filter the whole dashboard and it will give you a respective value from each available chart. Now in final dashboard I have mapped the speech line against the count of the sentiment. It will give us the sentiment available in each speech line. So guys, that is all in this video. Please let me know your view in comment section. See you in next video. Thank you.